Hey, what's up, rideshare drivers? It looks like a lot of you guys still don't know how to customize your codes for your referrals, which is a really valuable thing you can do. So I'm going to show you that. But before we do that, let me tell you real quick, the American Express has a really cool promo you can do, and you get $200 bonus, and there's also a $50 one with a Discover. So I'm going to post a video link for that video below. Just thought you might want to check that out. But let's get into our Lyft driver app. You can use that money for your business, grow your business and keep track of expenses. It works really good. So you open your profile, go to your dashboard on the menu. So the top left, you open the menu, then tap on dashboard. Go into your dashboard here on the internet, and this is a really good way to get referrals for passengers and drivers. So you customize your code, because your generic code is going to be something weird like your name and then a long string of numbers. So like mine is Adam6177. But let's say I'm talking to someone and they want to sign up, and maybe I don't have a business card or a pen to write anything down, so I just tell them Adam6177. They're probably not going to remember that. But if I can customize a code by going down here in the menu all the way to the bottom, see passenger referrals, I can tap on passenger referrals. I can generate up to 30 different codes, and then they lock you out. You can't do any more after that. So look at this, create a custom referral code. You can just go here and type in your code. I like to do all caps. I don't think it matters. But it's going to tell me I can't do it. Type in a code. That would be a funny code. So anyways, I reached the maximum number, but I thought, Lyft is pink and people like the color pink. So, hey, there's Pink Love. That was one I did, and that was in the Actors Union. So I did SAG-AFTRA. That's a code. Haven't been getting much action on these, but I can go to all codes. And I was just going nuts. I was just like, I didn't know that there was a limit, so I typed in all kinds of random things. This band, Widespread Panic, was playing down the street from my apartment, and I thought, I'd go down there and tell everyone, use the code Widespread and you get a ride home from the show tonight. There's a band, Imagine Dragons. Yeah, I got Imagine Dragons. They're mine. I got that code. So anyways, another good one would be like around New Year's and holidays. So like Happy 2020. I got Happy 2019 was taken already, but you could share those codes out with people and hopefully they enter it and spread the word. So like if you were just meeting someone again, for instance, and let's say handyman, let's say they're a handyman. No, those are the Joker movies coming out, right? So let's say they're a big fan of Batman and the Joker and comics and stuff. So hey, they've used Uber, or they've never had Lyft, or they're just new to learning about ride sharing. So you say, hey, you want a free ride credit? Don't ever call it a free ride, but just say a free ride credit. It might be a free ride, but it's usually like no more than 10 or 20 bucks. Sometimes it's as much as 50 bucks. But 20 bucks is probably going to cover their first ride. Say, hey, remember the words, the Joker, and just type in the Joker. Or sometimes I take the phone out of their hand and I punch it in for them so they got it. And make sure you tell them, enter the code before you take the first ride, or it's not going to work. French fries, that's a good one. Meet someone at a fast food restaurant. Oh, what do you do? I'm a Lyft driver. Have you ever tried that? No, I haven't tried it yet. Oh, that's cool. Well, how does it work? Oh, well, you just press a button on your phone, download the app, and you got a car shows up. Oh, cool. Yeah, all right. Well, I might try that. Well, you should try it. Here's a free code. Just use French fries. And, just spread this around. You can post this on social media. So if it's easier for someone to remember the word, the code, like, Imagine Dragons or French fries or turtles or something, then people are more likely to spread it around and share it with their friends, right? So you don't want a complicated referral code like your name, like Bobby, 45, whatever that is. People aren't going to remember that. So you want to just type in things easy to remember, things that are trending around current events. I mean, you could do like Trump 2020 or Biden 2020, or things like that that are trending right now. Maybe like your favorite sports team. Most of them are probably taken, like like Steelers or Cowboys or the Raiders or Green Bay Packers. And try to keep them short too. I wouldn't make them too long. All right, so that's how you customize referral codes. Then you go to Vistaprint and you can print them out with the partnership that Lyft has with Vistaprint, and that will help you make a lot of extra money. One little secret, every time I have an Uber customer in my car, I make sure that my Uber customer knows about Lyft. So I say, hey, have you ever tried Lyft, the pink one? The Uber customer sometimes says, no, I've never tried it. And I say, okay, it's your lucky day. Take one of these codes for a free Lyft ride. And you can see I do lately I've been doing a lot of adventure videos, but I also have a lot of rideshare stuff on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see some other tips and strategies I use, search the code Adam6177. There's a good video, 5 powerful rideshare strategies. So just searching that will bring up some of my other like videos on ride sharing. Okay, hope that helps you out. That's how you generate your referral codes. It's very easy. And then there's something I made to help drivers called Max RSP. If you stayed this far, that's a special video series, and I welcome you to check it out. All right, good luck. Thanks for watching.